Hello दोस्तों, welcome to my YouTube channel Be a Programmer में. So today we are going to talk about the further video that is a continuation of the previous video, that is about the Verbit part-time job. As we discussed about the transcription job that was on Verbit, we discussed about everything, how to apply, what are the procedure, we have discussed everything. So in this video, as everyone has demanded, I have told in that video that if you need a video on the selection process and what are the things we need to keep in the mind, what are the things that are asked in the test if you want to get this part-time job. So I will discuss everything today in this video, and I have also given the link of the previous video that was about the description of the Verbit in the description, as you can go there and see that video too. So let's start with today's video. We are going to discuss about what is the selection procedure, what are the questions. We will see everything practically as I have applied again, and there is a link that I will click on that and I will show you whole training that how the process is being done. We will fast track some of the process, but we will show everything practically. See, this is the mail that we get after we apply for this Verbit. We, as a transcriber, we get this mail that dear candidate, thanks for registering with Verbit. This is the mail that you get after 30 minutes or 35 minutes or within 1 hour. You will get this mail for sure, and it is written here that, as we can see, that desktop compatible only, that you need to use the desktop to use this app. Or if you are using the mobile phone, then I will give you one tip that you can use desktop site only. When you will click on request desktop app in the Chrome, then it will also you can also use in the mobile phone also. I will click on the start training. When we click on the start training, see, when you will click on start training, the first page that will come, this is the first page that comes in front of you. That is, first you have to do one thing. You need to see this video. This is the video that is of 2 or 3 minutes video. It is very short video that you can see that what are the things you need to see before. You need to know about Verbit, or what are the tutorials, what are the things that are coming further. I will tell you everything. So you can see this video too. I will go on quiz. When I will click on quiz, so as you can see that these are the normal fill in the blanks. I will show you in the full screen that these are the normal fill in the blanks that are related to your grammar. So if you start, when you want to do this job, that is a part-time job. This is a part-time job that is based on your transcription. Transcription means that it is based on your spellings, on your grammar, everything it is based on. So you need to have a good knowledge of grammar. So if you are serious about this job, you need to know about that grammar rules. There are some rules of past tense, some tenses you need to know. These are the things you need to know beforehand, and these are the some efforts you need to put, because this is a job. Suppose you are going for a job, it is a part-time job, as I have told you in the previous video also of Verbit, that it is a part-time job. But for any job, if it is paying you some money, then you need to put some efforts in that. Then only you will get selected. For this is a selection process. This is a selection process of Verbit. Then you need to get through this process only. Then you will start earning. Then you need to put the efforts initially, so that you get in through this job, you crack this job, you get this job, and then you can work as a transcriber in Verbit. That is the basic thing. Then you need to have some good knowledge of grammar rules. Grammar rules are important, as in this fill in the blanks, grammar rules are being used. You can crack this using the grammar rules only. It is very easy. So I will complete this all process, and I will show you when you complete all this fill in the blanks, then what are the things you need to keep in what are the things you do further in the process. So as you can see on the screen that I have completed all the fill in the blanks. This is fill in the blanks that I have completed. It only required some grammar rules, some things, some tenses, some grammar rules, some third form, some second form rules, some tense rule. These are the things that were required. It is a simple test that you need to give. The first one, the quiz. Then you will click on submit button. When you will click on submit button, it will evaluate all the answers. It is evaluating all the answers, and it will tell you what is the percentage, what are things, which questions are correct, which questions are not correct, and are you eligible to go further in this interview, like in this test, further in this test. So it will tell you right away. So see, I have got the results. As you can see on my screen that you have passed the quiz. It will show like this, and I have scored about 90. That is, my 9 questions are correct. That means my 1 question is not correct, that this one is not correct, it is shown in the red color, or all of the else all of it are shown in the green color. That means that all are correct, but this one is not correct. So I can go further in this test. It is showing that back to tutorials or start test. The main test will start after this when you will pass this quiz round, and it will depend on your skills, on your score also, whether you are going further in this round or not qualified. And if you are not qualified, it will show try again here or back to tutorials. It will show two options, or it will show like see your mistakes. It will depend on your score. This score will depend on you are going further or not. So let's start with the test. So see, when I will click on start test, link, description, disclaimer will come in front of you. You just need to click on let's start, and the a test will start. This test is basically very simple. So see, when you will click on the play button,
Jerry Seinfeld's 2007 magnum opus B-movie offers
it will audio will be played, and a transcribed text is there in front of you. You need to do some things that are, you need to listen to the audio and correct the mistakes that are there and the punctuations also. So I will give you one tip that let me show you one example how can you transcribe or correct these tips. First I will listen to the audio and correct some of the things that are there. These mistakes are there in the text that are being given. I will not do the whole process because it will take very much time. So I will tell you some like some example. I will listen to the audio and tell you.
Jerry Seinfeld's 2007 magnum opus B-movie offers poignant commentary on the film industry, the honey industry, the artificial boundaries we put up between ourselves and those around us, as well as the true meaning of friendship, romance, and following your dreams. The fact that so few people recognize this gem for the masterpiece that it is.
And see, I will tell you one thing that these as audio is playing, I can also slow down the audio. As I will decrease the speed of the audio, I can decrease the speed of the audio, and I can also increase the speed of the audio. See, so it will become more practical and more audible to you. You can understand much as you slow down the audio. If it is more native speaker speaks, you can also slow down the audio and you can listen to that. So these are the things you need to keep in mind. And I will tell you one thing, that if you complete this, suppose you have completed this, then copy whole the text. When you complete you listened all audio, complete audio you have listened, and you have corrected all the mistakes. So what are the things left? You are left with the punctuation thing. So you can do one thing. See, I have came to the Grammarly. I will also mention the link of the Grammarly in the description also, so you can install that. And I will paste the whole text here. I will copied the text from here and I have pasted from here. So I will check the punctuations. I will correct all the punctuations. Suppose there is a punctuation like it is saying that an instinct, or any punctuation, it will show all the punctuation that are incorrect, and you can correct all, and you can also reflect these changes from here to here also on the same time. So it will be more accurate for you to figure out all the punctuations. So it is very easy. And when I will complete the process, I will click on submit, and yes, I want to review this. When I will click on OK, it will complete my whole process, and it will redirect me to a page that will show that you have completed with the test. And this was all the process that I've told you about the test. These are the things you need to keep in the mind. Basic grammar knowledge is necessary, and give this transcription. When you come to this transcription test, then give this test very, very carefully, don't give it in a hurry, because the selection process is a little bit filtered. So it will be you will get filtered. So if you don't want to get filtered, then do it very, very precisely and listen to these things and do with a calm mind. That's all. So in this video, we have talked about the selection procedure. I have told you what are the selection procedure, what questions. I have told you everything practically. I have showed you everything practically. As you demanded in the previous video that you need a video on selection procedure, so I uploaded this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss an update as we upload videos related to part-time jobs, interview tips, related to any jobs that are coming in the industry, any jobs for the freshers, any job for the non-tech job, everything we are posting. So please subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon too, and follow us on Instagram, because we are also uploading many videos there also, as I am going live there also, and we are discussing about the jobs. If you have any doubt, there is a one-on-one session is also there, so you will like that. And join our Telegram group too, so that you can access all the materials if you want to access the materials. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet you in the next video with a new topic, with something very new. Thank you so much.